Today, we will install an application of free, private, and completely locally running search aggregator and answer generator based on ChatGPT 3.5. It is compatible with both Linux and Windows operating systems. As you can see, the features of this application, completely free, say goodbye to subscription fees or API keys. Completely local, no need for a powerful GPU, any computer can run it effortlessly. And most importantly, it is private, meaning that your searches and interactions are secure, with everything running locally. To install this, we only need Docker for containerization and deployment, so let's begin the installation of Docker. Open the terminal in super user mode. The first thing to do is to update the system. Then, we begin the installation of Docker engine. First, we need to set up the Docker repository. I will include all the commands in the description of this video. I kindly request you to like the video and subscribe to support me. After setting up the Docker repository, we update our system to save the modifications. We now proceed to the installation of Docker engine. Docker is installed and ready to containerize the application. Now, we'll create the folder where we're going to clone the application. We clone the repository using the following command. Now we run the application by executing the following command. If you get this result, we just need to install Docker Compose. And we run this command again. Now, let's check the port being used, which enables us to access the web interface. Now can access the interface. As you can see, the application is functional, and you can customize it as you wish, including changing the language. For Windows, it's the same process, just download Docker and git. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request you to like the video and subscribe to support me in creating more content like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.